Hey guys, so I've got a quick review of this metallic 3mm beads. They are very small and very nice. This is exactly what I was looking for to make my bracelets and some rings. So these are just some of my creations. These are the other beads that I've got in a package, different package. But yeah, those are the beads and the bracelets that you can make with them. So for example, this is the ring that I just made, just a plain silver metallic one, and I'm just using this the thread. So they're actually they're very easy to use, and you just put them right through, and yeah, I would say that they make really beautiful bracelets, rings. You can make watches, quite a lot of different creations that you can come up with them. They come in a wee packet like this. I've got I believe 1,400 beads in total, and as I said, they're 3mm size. So there you go, that's what they look like. And those are my creations. So you can make rings, and this is from my other package that I got as well, and then some bracelets, and I'll show you how they look on my hand. So there you go, just a plain bracelet. Ignore my scratch, that's my dog. And there you go. So yeah, they're all the same size, which is a very handy. They're all the same circly size. You don't get one bigger, one smaller. I know with certain beads, unfortunately, you do, but these are all literally the same sized circle beads. So that really helps to keep the creation the same. And yeah, there you go. So it just looks like that. But overall, I'm very happy with this product. And they just come in a little bag like this. So nice and tidy and very easy to use. And make quite cute rings. I like the ring collection the best.